There's been a transcendental change in the way we work today, with applications moving to the cloud, and employees working from the comfort of their homes, accessing corporate information on their unmanaged devices. While companies may need to provide access to legacy applications hosted on on-premise data centers and secured by VPN, at the same time, they also need to secure access to their cloud applications. Traditional solutions often fall short on this end, and a primary reason is that they automatically assign trust to users on managed devices. This excessive implicit trust is the reason for the downfall of the traditional security setup, as such devices may be compromised. With the zero trust model, we aspire to secure devices through a two-pronged strategy. First, we assume no trust by default for any user, device, or network. Every user or device, whether managed or unmanaged, goes through a thorough authentication of parameters like context, user identity, device posture, geolocation, and so on. Secondly, the zero trust model relies on a continuous monitoring process, ensuring all-round visibility across the network traffic, and relying on a contextual trust assessment system to assign risk and trust to a user. It doesn't matter if the corporate data is on-premise, on the cloud, or delivered as SaaS. It doesn't matter if the user is on-premise or remote. With a zero trust model, we use a continual process of trust quantification and risk assessment to ensure that your network is secure.